The title we are going to discuss about is a verifiable cloud data deduplication proof with data integrity with the duplication process. So in this title, I am going to explain about what are the overview of this process and how we are going to make this process into a security and how we are going to be building the process. In this, what they have been given is that how privacy can be applicable with the duplication proof at the initial stage as well as in the user side. So the modules which you are going to be performing is like data holder, user and authority. But how the verification process you are going to be giving is in the form of OTP, and the integrity process is that what are all the securities like data's encryption as well as how the encryption process will be done through cryptography algorithm, and what is the key process and where the authentication process you are going to be making, and what are all the hierarchies you are going to be making. So in this way, whether the hierarchy has been followed means how the process has been finally can be acceptable with that process, and how the user can download those things and can see through that content with the steps which have been followed. So with this way, the integrity of the process and security of the information as well as the verification with the duplication of the process with that is the information already encrypted now, that encrypted information how you are going to be second time encryption you are going to be performing. So these are all the process which is on this thing, and how you have been verifying this thing. So this is the overview of this that is title like verifiable data deduplication.